03, 04, 05, somewhere in there.
House was built in 03, 04, or 05. I'm thinking 06. This is bathroom. Bear in mind it's a mess because she's having an estate sale tomorrow. Come into the bedroom.
06.
06. Very large bedroom. Easily have a king size bed. I love the flex room or little sitting room off of the bedroom. Very nice. I personally will pull the curtains down, but you have a absolutely gorgeous view from the sitting room. Large walk-in closets to the left and to the right when you're by the bathroom area. Just a quick swing around. I love the wood floors. Me personally, I would prefer a double swing front door, but that is nice. There's room for expansion if you do decide to do something like that. This I would consider. Wiley, what would you consider this room?
This is the formal living room.
Formal living room.
And formal dining room.
And formal dining.
Garage, laundry room, kitchen.
Okay. Take a look at the laundry room. Very large laundry room. Yeah, we're going to turn on the light so we can see.
Maybe.
I got it. Here we got a laundry room. Do the washer and dryer convey with the home?
I believe so, but we'll double check that in just a few minutes.
Alrighty. Very large kitchen.
Laundry hookup. So that would be a no on one.
We're looking at a breakfast nook into, I guess you would call this a den or TV room. Family room. Wiley calls it a family room. Okay, bathroom with a door out to the pool area. All guests will be using this bathroom instead of going into the master. And this is a bedroom here with a light on into a nice size walk-in closet. Linen closet right by the bathroom.
This is, remember that I was telling you that the master bedroom kind of equates to these three rooms over here?
Yeah.
And so you've got three bedrooms over on this side. You take a picture of one already, of course.
I did one bedroom.
This is the middle bedroom.
This is the middle bedroom with a nice size walk-in closet. Average size room. I don't know if you like this, but there's a little shelf up top right over where the bed is.
Bathroom.
Then there's a bathroom. Very nice. Bathtub with tiles. I like this. I like that this is separate. A door to separate the toilet and shower from the vanity. Very nice. And of course, this is the fourth bedroom, and it does not have a walk-in closet, but it does have a double wide door. Take note, the shelf over the closet. I kind of like that. Take a look at these high ceilings all throughout the house.
We have a suite. like a guest suite.
So it's a guest suite.
You have a bedroom and a bath. They can be cut off.
Oh, okay.
You shut that door and you've got bedroom and bath.
So that would be the mother-in-law suite.
Yeah, or your suite.
He was having a hard time.
It comes with a dog
You don't want a picture of those,
and 2 women.
yeah.
Absolutely lovely pool.
Do you want me to turn the waterfall on for you?
No, you don't have to, but there is a waterfall, I guess, right? And then over on this side, there is a fence on the neighbor's property, which is a good thing. You could also put a fence across the back if you choose to for yourself and along the other side as well. There's an absolutely fantastic view of a fantastic pond in the back with a, gotta love that fountain. But the whole entire thing, you have to bear in mind right now the water is very low because of the drought we've been having. Been minimal rain. Overall, very nice.
Because you've got a slider coming out here from the sitting area in the master bedroom, and then the window, that overlooks, all this.
Yes.
And then, of course, that's going into that's the eat-in kitchen.
And this is the door that comes out from the guest bathroom, which is about the average size for a small bathroom like that. But if you choose to, you could do like I do if you're worried about storms, putting in accordion shutters back here. The accordion shutters would be nice. And you just shut them. You put all your stuff in here before you do if any storm hits.
Can we
All right,
open
well,
that up for you?
Yeah, can we open up that
The
pantry?
cupboard, the pantry.
Well, I like the way the pantry swings open. Very nice. That is nice. And what we will do is we will take a walk into the garage. If you notice, there's a lock on the garage, so that is a good thing. And look at the size of this garage. It is tremendous.
2 garage doors.
Typical 8-foot ceiling. You have the
It's not rigged up for steps, but there's room for it.
room for steps right there. Okay. Very nice. The hurricane panels are in the back. How old did you say the AC unit was? The hot water heater is
Hot
less
water
than,
heater's like new.
is new, a year old.
I don't know. It may be in the document file.
Mm-hmm.
All that stuff, because she did a seller's disclosure,
Okay. All right. Okay.
so all that should be in there.
Bear in mind, it is a mess because of the estate sale. But look at this: 2 sinks in the bathroom, one on opposite side of the other, a his and hers. Set up a chair right there. Check out the shower. I like the way the shower is set up. Bear in mind the mess. But that is nice with the glass all the way around with a shelf to separate the bathtub. Notice the fixtures. They are all nice. There's no corrosion on them. I checked them out throughout the house. They are all in good shape. So none of these have to be replaced.